my friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Which sport are you training for? Which sport or sports? Please write that below, because today we are doing a more advanced power yoga for athletes. Flow, no weights, no machines, all body weight, great for everyone, but make sure you have a good foundation of flow yoga, of my yoga for athletes and power yoga for athletes workouts before jumping into this. We are going to build some strength, some flexibility. I'm putting the cap on because it's chilly in this room. Balance, control, and a lot of power. Our ability to control our bodies. Our mind sees it and our body does it. Sound good to you? I'm glad you're here. Let's begin. Downward facing dog. This one's gonna flow, modify as needed. Vinyasa flow. We start in down dog. Inhale forward, plank, press forward, down. Upward facing dog. Drop the shoulders, squeeze the glutes. Exhale, down dog. Again, take it slower this time. Let's work on control. And lower, elbows hugging the ribs is called the hover or chaturanga. And then up dog. Extend the legs back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. In the nose, out the nose. Now, left foot's gonna come forward for a warrior. Pivot the right foot, bend the knee. Hand down, extend. Extended warrior, stretch out the back leg. Stay here or go to the wrap. Right arm outside, left arm underneath, and open. 3 breaths. Open up the airways. Building that functional strength. All right, now transition into a lunge. Turn the back foot, balance, stagger the feet, and rise up. Arms up and over, reaching back. Cactus arms, open the chest. Vinyasa flow, kick the leg back, forward, down. Up dog, down dog. Keep it moving, right foot forward. Here's our warrior. Look at all that space back there. Stay here or go to the wrap. Every transition is smooth. 3 breaths. Oh, that's nice. Now turn, lunge. I always get a little shaky when I come up. That's good. Reaching up and back. Stretch the abdominals and then cactus arms. Let your eyes focus. Good. Vinyasa flow. You can also sweep through if you wish. Downward facing dog. Let's do that again a little faster. Step forward, extended warrior, the proud one, or the wrap, 2 breaths. How's that feel? Turn, lunge, and flow. Other side, right foot forward. Pick your option. 2 breaths. Oh, we are teaching the body how to move better with every breath, every pose, every sequence. Okay, cactus arms, flow it through. You can go through like this if you wish. Elbows into the sides. Down dog, take a breath. Whew. We are gonna pack so much in such a short amount of time. Left foot forward, lunge. Drop it down, drop it down. In the nose, out the nose. Now exhale, bring the right knee in. Squeeze the abs, step back. 2 more times, transition smoothly. It's no big deal. As Bill Murray said in Caddyshack, it's no big deal. Relax, relax into it. Squeeze the abs. Step back. Now knee in or grab the outside of the foot and extend the leg. Good, step back. Let's do that once more. I'm gonna smooth it out myself too. Okay, forward. Oh, rock and roll, all right. Good, lunge. Let's do a switch here. Switch the legs. There we go. Another Caddyshack reference. Here. All right, knee in. Exhale, forward. Abs tight, and then back. Smooth on the landing. Again. Focus the eyes, relax the shoulders. One more time with the knee in. I want to rock to the side. There we go. And back. Now stay there or grab the outside of the foot 2 times. Come forward. There it is, and back. That's a good one. Really stretching the hamstring. And forward. Find the focus with the eyes. All right, back to lunge. Bring it down, step back to plank, forward, down. Up dog or cobra. Good, exhale. Downward facing dog. Now, let's bring it to a catcher's squat. Down, toes are out. Forearms can also be on the tops of the thighs. This is a sequence here, like everything. We're going to go from our catcher squat to a half moon. Saying, Sean, what the heck does that mean? Well, let's do it together. So here we are. Place the hand down, lift up. And then back to squat. Back and forth. Smooth as you return. A half moon, this leg lifts, this arm comes up. You could pivot that foot out a little bit more, but make sure you get the diagonal when you come back. Ooh, there it is. Back and forth. Good. Let's do it one more time. Each side. Squat down and open. Good. What do you think of this move here? I'm always changing it up for everybody. I never do the same workout twice myself. All right, catcher squat down. Sinking down. I got time, I think, for one more thing. I write down a lot of stuff. Let me know if you want more workouts like this on this channel. Okay, airplane warrior with a jump switch. So warrior position, you can come up here or take the left arm underneath. Here's the airplane warrior. Open that left hip. Hands down, switch. And then either one, your choice. Smooth it out. Good. Open up the back. Are you breathing enough? Are you pumping oxygen into the muscles, into the flow? 4 more times, 2 more each side. 1, 2, ta-da. Let's advance. 3, 4, finish Vinyasa flow. I'm gonna sweep it. Up dog, lift. Exhale, down dog. And bravo, walk the legs. Twist it out. Repeat this as much as you wish. Stretch out, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's a twist. Half boat Vinyasa. Legs around. We'll finish with this. Feet in front of the knees. Squeeze the abdominals, arms out to the side, shoulders back. Now cross the legs, plank position, flow. We go to down dog, walk or jump forward, half boat, or fold. Legs all the way out, take a breath. Flow. I'm gonna snake through here this time. Good, keep it going, bend the knees, forward, pow. Keep the emphasis in the abdominals. Good, easy on the back, always stretching it out. Good, use your body to its greatest advantage. I'm going to do 2 more. Pull the cap down, very important. All right, slow motion. Oh, yes. And one more time, back to down dog. Bend the knees. always in control. Like the best athletes. Once more, through the flow, take it slow. Slowly, Niagara Falls. I used to watch the Three Stooges do that routine. And down dog, my friends. Walk it out. Stretch the hands further forward. Healthy spine, healthy body. Lengthen that spine. Whew. Let's do 6 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How does that feel? Sink those heels down, down, down. Lengthen the spine and be the best you can be in your chosen sport, my friend. Beautiful workout. Comment below which sport are you training for, and also any questions or feedback you may have. And thanks so much for training with me today. It's Coach Vigue. Over and out. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.